So with AI, technology, any of that, I think the biggest thing is, we can't be intimidated or scared by it. I think a lot of people can be intimidated by like new technology that comes up around. And the biggest thing is with anything new, you're going to fail. There's going to be lessons learned, but the biggest thing is, learn those lessons, apply them, and then keep moving on. Like, so the same thing happened, when mobile was a big thing. We were all trying to figure out, okay, how does the mobile device, how is that going to change how we live, work, and learn? You know, and some solutions came out that failed. Some practices started that we stopped doing because we found out they didn't work. But there are a few things that stuck around, right? So that's what we're all trying to figure out with AI is like, how is it going to change? How is it going to change how we kind of live, work, and learn? And then how's that going to change our jobs? And I think the biggest thing is um, not to be intimidated or threatened by it, but to kind of embrace it and then learn from it. And we'll probably fail at a few things. It won't quite work out the way we want to, but we got to keep trying to figure it out.